Before I had implants treatment, a lot of my back teeth were missing. Smiling, I used to never smile. And if I did, I would put my hands up to my mouth to sort of cover it. Because I was always very, very self-conscious about it. So I decided, rather than sort of spend the rest of my life very conscious about my appearance, I would investigate dental implants. That's how I ended up in the Marylebone Implant Centre. There is something about him that I think he is so professional. He's also so caring that it immediately put me at my ease. I've had 11 implants. I couldn't believe it. The time went so quickly. Francisco explained everything I needed to know. That the day that I walked out of that surgery, I just went straight past them over to that big mirror. I was so... Having dental implants done is a life-changing experience. I'm so pleased. I can eat what I like. I can socialize a lot more. At weddings, you would always find me at the back. Whereas now, from now on, you will find me at the front. I think as you lose teeth gradually, you don't notice, but your face does change. And I didn't realize, I thought it was just part of generally getting old. I realized it was now the teeth that made all the difference. I now don't have to think about what I eat. I don't have to think about where I go. I don't have to think about who I'm going to meet. I just love the smile. It's the teeth I always wanted.